In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Figma drafts files to a team project. If you've started a design in your personal drafts and now need to collaborate with your team, moving the file into a team project is the right way to go. This keeps work organized, ensures the right people have access, and helps maintain consistent permissions and version history across your workspace. You can do this from either the Figma web app or the desktop app. The process is the same. Begin by opening Figma and navigating to the file you currently have in drafts. Make sure it's the specific file you want to relocate. Opening the file first is helpful because you'll see the current location at the top of the window, which confirms you're moving the correct document. At the top of the file, look for the label that shows where the file lives. If it's in drafts, you'll see that indicated next to the file name, along with a small downward arrow. Click that arrow. This opens a menu of file actions. It's a quick way to access options related to organizing and sharing your file. From that menu, choose Move File. Be careful not to select Duplicate, which would create a copy instead of relocating your original. Move File ensures the same file, with its history and comments, changes location without creating extra versions to manage. A dialog will appear showing your available teams and projects. Browse to the team where this file should live, then select the specific project within that team. If you have many projects, use Search to quickly narrow the list. If you don't see the team or project you expect, you may not have permission to move files into it. In that case, check that you have the right role in the team, or ask a team admin to confirm your access. Choosing the correct project matters for organization, discoverability, and ensuring collaborators know where to find the work. Once you've selected the destination project, click Move. The file will relocate immediately. You'll now see the new project name at the top of your file, confirming the change. The file's version history and comments remain intact, and any existing links to the file will continue to work. Keep in mind that the file will now inherit the team's permissions and visibility settings, which usually makes collaboration smoother. That's it. To keep your workspace tidy, consider renaming files clearly before or after moving them, and regularly clean up drafts so active work lives in the right team projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!